Yonkers HeART weekend.
Yeah.
May 17th and 18th. We're gonna have this exhibition after this at the end of March. This comes down. We're gonna be putting up a Yonkers artist showcase.
Okay.
So just keep your eyes out on that. Are you following Yonkers art?
Yeah, yeah.
You see the profile? Oh yeah, we love that. Take it for the young man.
Yeah. Yes, they have. Yes. Well, I'll be posting. So yeah, we will see.
So Jenny, how did you?
That's my piece. Yeah.
Oh yeah, beautiful.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Can I take a picture of you taking the picture?
Actually, I have big camera for later, so may I take picture with you?
Yeah. Yes.
So now I'm
But
recording video.
I just want to show, take a picture of you taking the.
Okay, okay. It's so fun.
Oh no, like taking, yeah, yes. But also, but like when
Then
you
you
were
taking your
videotaping-
picture of-
yeah. When you're taking like this, when you were videotaping.
I don't want to show my face for video.
Oh no,
Oh, yeah.
this is my social media.
okay.
Yeah.
Stand over here like this and hold it like this
Yeah,
for
like
you.
that.
And come
I see,
on.
okay.
Yeah, because she wants to see you like kind of
Yes.
there. You go,
I
like, there you go.
see.
Exactly, just for yeah, it's like behind the scene, you know. Yeah. Okay.
Jenny, what did you do? Is that the color?
Yes. Yes. Thank you very much. Yeah. That's it is.
Do you do a lot of watercolor traditionally still like this? Or do you have to do it on the computer?
Yeah. I still have changed. Yeah.
I always possibly like to do the watercolor like that. I basically never made the transition over to the computer to do that type of work. Because it was always.
It's not. It's
Once you get in,
it's like you're once you get in all the classes, the colors like sugar, and if you walk, it's not my work. This is just I experienced this earlier. But I can claim that it's my work.
Oh, okay, like people understand.
Does it work? Yeah, it works. You can how are
What's going on after this? Something 3D?
you put the glasses on, pull it to the immediate, so you get to walk across and you get to see the colors move a little bit.
Careful behind you. Should I go on walk?
Yeah.
This?
So I have to keep stretching throughout the day or else.
I don't know. It was 43.
Colors actually what?
Oh, like that. Oh, I see. I see. Okay. Yeah, no, I understand. No, that's fine. Yeah, sure. Those actually it's the same lights that no, not just they're not. There's the
I'm just kidding. That's
Change it right now.
It's still the best of them. It's like the right job.
No, right, yeah. But I was like, I need to be like, yeah. And, I think one of the friends part, right? Not the being friends. We're all yeah. So, I hope we get under. My defense is cramping. I feel like, yeah. But you know,
Yeah, I know that picture.
that was like brought up like explain something about like my friend or whatever. The girls who were there, and I was like, which is why that whole conversation. And I thought it was very funny. I felt like James was like, should that have been wrong? Should this be no. And she's like, yes. And like I know, yeah, so that sucks. So I get those people that tell basically, I was telling you